Previously in the vlog, we visited the Palm Springs sign located by the visitor center, then headed over to explore the windmills that are widely seen on the outskirts of the city. Spanning as high as 300 feet, it is a marvel to look at. We dropped by the windmill market for a quick date shake yet again and make our way to the Cabazon dinosaurs. Let's get right into the vlog.
Morning guys from sunny San Diego.
Yeah.
Today is our first full day here, so we're set out to explore.
Yeah, so one of the first few spots that we're gonna hit up is the mural, the Greetings from San Diego mural. And just a short drive away from it is the Artlexia mural. And then hit up the suspension bridge.
Yeah.
So that should be nice.
Super nice. And then after that, after the suspension bridge, we haven't really thought about it yet, but we do have a few things in mind, but I guess we will update you guys after we explore the bridge.
Yeah.
Just got done with the 375 feet long bridge.
And it's 70 feet high.
And it's 70 feet high, overlooking the Sessions Canyon. It is located here in the Bankers Hill neighborhood. It actually was built in 1912, so it is super old, but it's not something that a lot of tourists come here for. It's like kind of hidden.
It's not that crowded.
Yeah, it is a hidden gem, so, but we decided to walk all the way through, and it was super nice.
Yes, we're here at Woodensea Beach. As you can see, it's full of palm trees, palm-lined streets. A lot of people on electric scooters, biking, skating.
It is Labor Day weekend, so we've seen a lot more people out and about.
Yeah.
But the next place that we're going to visit is, I think it's called the...
It's a favorite color wall.
Favorite color wall, and then after that, we're going to try to go get some photos at La Valencia Hotel.
Yeah.
Matches my dress. So beautiful. This is called the Favorite Color. It's by the artist, I think it's Roy McMakin, and it's part of the murals of La Jolla. And the mural is called Favorite Color. So the wall is right next to this jiu-jitsu place right here, and it's so pretty. It also has beautiful flowers. So if you also want to take some photos like in the corner over there, you can do that as well. But it's a beautiful wall, quick photo spot, and we're going to move on to our next location.
The Warn Bear.
That's the Warn Bear.
So we're here at the UCSD campus.
And we're here to check out the Fallen Star. It's a little house that's perched right on top of the School of Engineering building. It's really cute. So if you're out here in San Diego, this is one of the places or the campus you should visit because they have a whole bunch of installations spread out across the campus. This is one of them, and it's a must-see. Meal, and we are starting our day off at Better Buzz Coffee here in the Hillcrest location.
Yeah, so we came out to the Hillcrest location to check out the interior design.
Yeah.
We're possibly gonna pick up a coffee or so.
Maybe
we have
like
to check
a
out the
cold
menu.
brew, yeah, because it is a warm day.
Yeah, and then head over to Balboa Park after.
Yes. So we are finally here at Balboa Park. It is ginormous. This has, I think, about 17 museums. It has the history of automobiles, trains, flights, and everything else. That arts and culture and the history of people. But also they have 19 botanical gardens, or 19 gardens. And we're really excited to visit those. So a lot of museums here, they have a fee, so you would have to pay to get in. But I think the botanical garden, the inside is free, but it's currently closed, so we're not going to go in. We're just going to explore basically everything from the outside. But it's great for families, great for children, very kid-friendly, and I think it's kind of accessible as well because we do see people on wheelchairs and things just strolling around. So beautiful place to be at.
We're right here. Purple dots are museums, green flowers are parks.
You guys just hopped into the visitor center. This is the map and guide to the whole park. So the lady had said that anything marked in purple, all the museums, anything in green, gardens. So pretty much the visitor center is there.
You get the best barrels ever, dude. Smack the lip, whoop-ah, drop down, snap, ah!
Away from LA, downtown LA. And if you are an Elon Musk fan, located on Rocket Road, so let's see.